back to my channel today. I do lots of unboxings on my channel, and today we have my FabFitFun Summer 2025 box with me. Now this is my PR box that was sent over from FabFitFun. They allowed me to pick out 6 items to take a closer look at for this season's box. So all of these items are going to be available for customization for the summer box. And customization opens up this Friday on the 18th for all annual members. Now, I don't want to make it sound like quarterly members or those seasonal members are left out by any means. You can definitely sign up for that quarterly subscription as well. You just have to wait a couple more weeks to customize your box is the only thing. So if you sign up with my link down below as a quarterly member, I also have a 20% off coupon code that saves you money off of your first box. But they won't let you use the 20% on the annual subscription. So it's one or the other you have to pick, and they both have merit. I think they're both worth it in their own ways. But if you want first access, you want to have, customization is a priority to you and you want to know you can choose the products you want. Going in as an annual member is definitely a way to secure those products a little bit faster because quarterly members tend to have to wait 2 to 3 weeks after that. Okay, enough chit chat. Let's get into this box then today. So for starters, this box is very simple, just like our spring box was. And it's just, kind of plain boring cardboard. But then she explodes inside. So it's just kind of like, oh, boring cardboard box, and then you get all of this color. And I cannot believe this is their 50th box that they've shipped out, you guys. It's weird because I feel like FabFitFun has been around for a long time, but it also at the same time doesn't feel like it's been around that long. I'm like, how have they had 50 boxes already? We're gonna start with this serving tray. So this is my first official item from Roundhouse. This one is their Sicily stripe serving platter. Now this is 13 inches by 8 inches and it's only about 1 inch high, it says. So it is good size. And this is always why I try to get these in person, because the photos that I saw online, I looked at Instagram and then I looked at the spoilers online. They show this platter and it's like, well, it looks nice, but I have a hard time telling how large it is or what the quality is like, which is why I was like, I want to get this one and inspect it further. So it looks like it's all padded in here. Ooh, I thought this was melamine, but I don't think it is. Am I the only one that thought that? I kind of thought this was a plastic tray, and I was thinking for, like outdoor barbecues, and that's kind of how they showed it too. So I thought it was plastic. This is not a plastic tray. So this is our ceramic serving platter. It's very nice. So very cute. I do get kind of those summer vibes. I originally thought, yeah, we're gonna just throw, kebabs on here, some burgers, set this outside, but actually this is so nice that I'm like, this may not go outside. It's gonna just go, I'll just carry the chicken into the house with this. But you could even use this outside of just summer. I mean, it's not like this is summer specific. You can always have a serving platter. I also think you could just use this as a single portion, very large plate. But maybe you wanna have some ribs, like a full rack of ribs. This would be a good plate for that. I think that is in category 1. Like, I think that's the first choice you can make and you could get that platter. But then in the second category, I hope I get these numbers right, you guys. They're gonna be available. I just sometimes get the categories backwards. But then in the second category, they have another matching piece that goes along with the platter. So these ones are going to be dip bowls, and it's a set of 4 with the same pattern. So this is from the same brand, Roundhouse. These dip bowls are dishwasher safe. They're also microwave safe, and they can go into the oven up to 350 degrees. So just be careful with that. They can't go super high. I forgot to check on the platter, but I assume it's the same. Dishwasher and microwave safe, and then safe up to 350 in the oven. I don't know that I would ever put these items in the oven anyways. I mean, truthfully, like, just looking at what type of platter it is, I don't think it's a baking item to put in there, but I am glad that it is dishwasher safe. Oh, these are cute. I think I like these more than the platter even. Look at that. Oh, they're cute, you guys. So they showed these as dip bowls, but okay, I'll be real with you. I love ketchup, right? That is like my dip of choice. And I will dip almost anything in ketchup, right? So my mind looks at this and goes, man, that is a really big bowl for ketchup. I like ketchup, but I don't know that I need like that much ketchup, you know what I mean? So I do think it's a super cute bowl that you can do way more than just dips with it. I get the idea, but I mean, heck, if you do want to go with the whole half rack of ribs on the platter, you've got your barbecue sauce right there. You could also, you know what I mean? You could do a whole thing of wings and then have blue cheese over here. I do kind of see the vision for that. But beyond that, I thought these were great if you just wanted to portion out snacks. For me, it's trying to, eat right and not eat too much. This is a good size for me where I can put in exactly what I need and have some portion control. Because if I sit down with the whole bag, that's the problem, is I just eat too much. These are a really good size for that. So they have the exact same matching stripe pattern. It goes all the way around it. And these are all ceramic once again. They've all been glazed. They feel really sturdy. Sturdy enough that if you dropped it, I don't think it would shatter immediately. They're not real thin. You know what I mean when you get the really thin, fragile pieces? This is not like that at all. But all 4 of them are going to be the exact same size. So I definitely think you could do some really cute things, or you could do individual desserts even, like a really cute like pudding or something like that in there. I think there's a lot of potential with these because they're just serving dishes after all. You could even do yogurt, because I'll do like yogurt and oatmeal in the mornings. You could definitely mix that up, or even if you did like your oats overnight or something. I mean, got your little breakfast dish. I can't remember which category the candle came in, but there is a candle option available for this summer box. So of course I had to try it because I needed to know if it smelled and then I could warn you guys ahead of time. So this is what it looks like. It's called Lemongrass Breeze and it's by Homesick. Now what I was surprised at is it has a lid. The other candles I've gotten have not had lids on them. So it's not secure. It's just gonna sit right over top of it. So it will fall off is what I'm getting at. You don't wanna just turn your candle because it will drop. But it is a single wick candle. This is 8 ounces. I like that after you use it up, you definitely have a container. You can just put the lid on it. You could use, because look at the color. Like this will go everywhere. So you could remove the label and reuse this. And I'm thinking like in a bathroom setting, have the lid over top of it. You got your cotton balls in here, your Q-tips, whatever it may be. I like that this is a less waste product, potentially. It smells immediately like lemongrass. So it's very, you know how lemon, I always say it's a little bit sweet, but then you also get a little bit of that like zestiness. It's just like that. It's a little sweet, but it's still a little zesty. It smells exactly like a lemon. But then on top of it, they've added in a little bit of this ocean feel for the breeze, like a sea salt scent. It's definitely secondary to the lemon, but you can tell it's in there. It's just a little, I don't know what I want to say. It's a little complement to it. And so it's a nice, soft, mellow lemongrass scent. I don't feel like this is overpowering at all. It's a great background scent, but it doesn't stink. So that's the important thing. And if you like lemon, I think you're going to enjoy this candle. It does give me summer, but it also gives me like a kitchen vibe. So that's kind of where I would burn this is, you know what I mean? I don't know why. There's some scents that just belong in certain rooms. Okay, next item that we're gonna move on to. This is from First Aid Beauty. I went with the whole body deodorant cream. I am so excited for this. And when I did my spoiler video, a lot of my viewers have tried this product and said it works wonderfully. So I'm really pumped for this. This one will control odors for 24 hours. It is aluminum free and it is safe for sensitive skin. The scent is fresh citrus. So we have a full-size product from First Aid Beauty. The idea with this that I was thinking is working out in the garden this summer. You know, you get hot, you get sweaty. I was like, to put this on all over is just gonna, it's gonna help. I mean, it's gonna save everybody, right? Saves myself even. So that was my goal is I'm like, especially working outside, this is a product I want. Now they mention on here that there are no artificial fragrances added to this. It's also dermatologist tested, and they said you need a pea-sized amount, and that will cover each area. So you can use it for your armpits, you can do your tummy rolls, your feet, under boob as well. I mean, that is true. Not that you guys probably need to know where I'm sweating at, but I relate. I read the back of this and I'm like, yep, that's exactly what I need. Ooh, I don't really smell anything. Okay, there it is a little. So there is a little bit of a citrus scent, but it's not super strong, not super powerful. It does smell good though. And it is just like a lotion almost. So it's kind of just like a cream that you just work in. Okay, moving on, we're gonna do our next product. This is also from First Aid Beauty. If you remember when we did the spoiler video, there's a lot of beauty products from this brand this season. This one is the Bump Eraser Body Scrub, and it is strawberry scented. And that's why I wanted to get this, because I needed to smell if it really smelled like strawberries or not. So it is a full-size product. It's a good amount of product, you guys. 8 ounces is what we have here. Safe for sensitive skin. It does have 10% AHAs, which is your alpha hydroxy acids. Those will break down bumps and texture and make your skin smooth afterwards. So let me smell this and see what it smells like. Oh, it is strawberry. This is great. I mean, it's 100%, there's no doubt. It is definitely a strawberry scent. If you want a comparison, it reminds me of the Bath & Body Works did a strawberry like shortcake scent a couple of years ago, and it smells like that. It's like a strawberries and cream almost. So it's not only juicy, but it smells like there's vanilla in it too. Like it gives me like a strawberry shortcake scent. I really like this. So pumped to have it. And I found out from one of my viewers, she commented and told me that they also make this in a peach scent now. So now I need to go to Sephora and find the peach one. Last item inside of my box then today that I'm going to share with you guys is a jewelry item. This, I don't remember which category it was in. Who am I kidding? So this is the brand here, which is Set in Stones. So you're going to get a cute little pouch, and then they've just tied it down below. So it looks like this. And then I chose the anklet. There are a few different jewelry options available this season, but this one will be the ankle bracelet. Oh, it's cute. See, this is again why I wanted to see it in person. It's actually made better too than what I was expecting. So this is what it looks like here. So you'll notice it's got all of these little pearls, and then it has gold beads, but I feel like the gold is a little bronzy. It's like a warmer gold. It's not like a bright yellow gold. So it is a warmer gold tone. And then there is an adjustable link at the end. So you've got lots to work with. Should fit all ankle sizes, lobster claw clasp. And then you've got the little tag here from the brand as well. For one thing, it feels really smooth, so it should roll nicely on your ankle. It doesn't feel like it's gonna break easily. There's a little bit of a rigidness to it, so you can kind of tell looking at the shape that it holds its shape really well. So something about this, it's not your traditional like whatever string that they put in these. This feels better than that. It feels like it has a little bit more structure than what I see with most ankle bracelets. So I actually really like this one, and I'm very pleased with it. It'll be perfect to wear this summer with your flip-flops. It'd be super cute. So that is everything inside of my FabFitFun PR box for summer 2025. Comment down below, you guys, and let me know, what did you think of these items? I have to say, honestly, I love every one of them. There's none in here that I'm going to tell you don't get. I think it always comes down to what are you going to use. I am probably most surprised with the platter. I really am. Because in my head, I thought it was melamine, and so it was way nicer than that. So I think I'm most impressed with that. The bracelet, or not the bracelet, the anklet is really good quality. I have several anklets myself. I like this one. It feels really expensive. But then the strawberry, you know, it smells so good. If you need a bump eraser, it smells really good. What a fun season. I think this is gonna be a great season to choose items for. I love what I have. Super excited for these products. Keep in mind, if you wanna see any more items from FabFitFun this season, I do purchase and pay for my own FabFitFun box as well, and I tend to spend a little extra and get some add-ons and some other bonus things. So I will be having another unboxing video coming up showing you guys all of those products. But I'm very happy with what I have here today. So all of these items are approved. If you enjoyed any of them, I definitely recommend you get them. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!